Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Here's the big picture. This storm system really centered over the southern Great Lakes region right now, still drawing on warm and very moist air from both the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic states, pushing it back over this cool dome of air, which is undercutting it, producing snow out west where it's cold enough at the surface level, but out to the east of that, we still have that wintry mixture taking place through the Twin Cities and Duluth. Now we see some of the heaviest snowfall just off to the west of the I-35 corridor. In our area, a few flakes in western Becker, south through western Otter Tail counties right now. Richland County seeing a few flakes, and we're going to see this persist on again, off again throughout our evening. Here is a look at Hector, 34 degrees. It feels like 23 because them winds are gusting out of the northwest at times over 20 miles per hour, sustained at 17 right now. 33 for Grand Forks with a north wind at 15 miles per hour. That relative humidity, 89%. That's pretty soggy. Everybody in the low to mid 30s right now with the warmest weather here in the Red River Valley. Coldest out to the west. Now Harvey, not far off to the west, picking up between 7 and 10 inches of snow in Wells County. For us, north winds continue, but decreasing as we go through the late evening hours. We're going to have hit and miss periods of snowfall, even during the overnight as we set this into motion. Look at our temperatures slipping ever so slowly, ever below freezing. That means sidewalks and roads first thing in the morning that are wet or a little slushy could become slippery, so be cautious of that. And maybe another ½ inch of snow possible in some spots by the time we rise and shine on our Thursday morning. By midday tomorrow, temperatures will still be in the low 30s, a north wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. If there's any chance at sun, it'll happen later in the day and mainly out to the east. We'll see a chance for those periodic flurries decreasing later in the day, but it won't be warm. Low to mid 30s for most areas with a northwest wind decreasing late, and colder temperatures expected for our Friday morning. But Thursday morning, 31. Still a flake in the forecast as we start our day. Watch for areas of fog and low clouds once again. 33 for the midday hour with 1 or 2 flakes still possible. After that, I think we quiet down. 34 degrees for your drive home. Your hometown forecast shows temperatures below freezing along Highway 2 and points north and out to the west. Southern Valley near freezing or just above, as we have a lot less snow to worry about. Here's a snowy scene, though, from Lakes Country. Thanks so much, Carol, for uploading that on Valley News Live. Take a gander at this. Now, Friday, quiet, with temperatures that will be in the low 30s, so not hot, that's for sure. Saturday and Sunday, we do have a warming trend. South winds start scooping more moisture up into the area. By Sunday night, we have a chance of, once again, rain. This time, December rain. The cold December rain mixes with and changes to snow Monday. And Tuesday, snow for most areas. It could accumulate, and then look at that. Slap! 9 degrees to start your Wednesday. Bitter cold air. Here's a picture of it in the Air Mass Battlecast. That pink is sub-zero air diving down from near Alaska into the valley as we get into late next week. We'll be tasting that tooth chipping weather that we can get around here sometimes.
We've already tasted it, though, in the past.
I didn't like the taste.
We don't really.
You didn't like it?
I did
A little
not.
fishy?
No.
Yes.
Like lutefisk.
Yeah,
Okay,
lutefisk.
all right. Sure.
It's the end of